hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden beat. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters, it's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters, it's my heart that obeys.
Head over heels for that someone. Head for the hills for nothing. Running scared, screaming at the top of my lungs. In my many minds, my heart doesn't always agree. What I'm thinking inside, think about it. Your gut can lie, like when you're hungry but it hurts to eat. Do you actually wanna die? No matter how bad it tastes, I want it. Here's a metaphor for my life. I'm eating McDonald's to get healthy. Tell me how that makes sense. And I think I heard Bigfoot. Did he run away? I don't know. I would have invited him in my tent so we can drink some miso soup. Dangerous and peace. No, and talk. Don't do that. About conspiracy theories. Maybe all night. I wonder if he believes in alien. We could look at the stars together. What if he is an alien? What if we actually become the best of friends and we wear shirts with pictures of each other on them? just the beginning, my friend. Be strong, so we can try again. Likes may blind you. The crowd is hungry to taste your body. We all know this world is full of mistakes. A free mind takes you higher. Learn your fake post, how you're crying. Feel the wisdom floating over your hands, and I feel alright when I see you and I coming together to another dimension. We can prove our lives. There will be no mistake in love. Why do we all have to grind before we reach the dream ascension? Learning from the ups and downs. It's not an easy way to grow, but it's the best way to go. Oh, come on. Hey you, don't fall in this hurricane. I know, there is hope in your hand. Move on, it's just the beginning, my friend. Be strong, so we can try again. Lights may blind you, the crowd is hungry to taste your body. We all know this world is full of mistakes. A free mind takes you higher. Not on your fake post, how you're crying. Feel the wisdom floating over your hands, and I feel alright when I see you and I going together to another dimension. We can prove our lives. There will be no mistake in love. Why do we all have to cry before we reach the dream ascension? Learning from the ups and downs. It's not an easy way to grow, but it's the best way to go. Oh, come on. And I feel alright when I see you and I going together to another dimension. We can prove